Hello again, welcome to another video review. And we've just been given the keys to this lovely Volkswagen Eos 2 litre Tdi Sport. Very smart looking car, finished in the red. The glass panel sunroof. Parking sensors on the rear. That's the boot space if you want the roof down. If you want the roof up, you've got that much space. We've also got the wind deflector, comes with it, that's in this bag here. And then under there, you've got your spare wheel, jack, all important locking wheel nut tool. That all lives under there. And then you've got a soft closing boot. It's got a little bit of tiny scuff there. A couple of the wheels probably need a refurb. Just a slight bit of corrosion coming through. And there's a little bit, it's been touched in there, a little tiny bit there. A few minor stone chips. That's probably the worst one of the alloys, that one. Tyres are all good. Just take a look inside. Got controls there for electric windows. That big button there for all 4 windows. Electric door mirrors, boot release, fuel release. All nice and clean inside. 4-seater. So makes for a practical convertible car. 74,000 miles. 6-speed manual gearbox. It's got this nice upgraded head unit with the sat nav. Just wait for that to load. Air conditioning all working, blowing nice and cold. Book pack with it, service book. Auxiliary input socket in there. Sunroof, which you can just open. Just want the sunroof open on its own. The option of that. So you just have it in a tilt position like that. Or if you want the roof down, press this button here. And it all springs into action. And if you can see that there. Roof closing, the roof opening. So that's all done. Let's just take a look at the car with the roof open. You can see that's very stylish looking. Cabrio convertible. put the roof back up. It's the opposite action on the button. As you can see, that's all working nice and smoothly. Back in place, and then keep your finger on the button and it shuts all 4 windows as well. So there you go. If you're looking for a nice sporty looking Eos, sensible mileage, nice car to drive, economical to run, give me a shout on the usual number or drop me an email. And thanks again for watching.